various AI tools for enhancing academic writing. Okay, right. So how we can enhance academic writing? So there are different tools: MyStylus, PaperPal, Jenny, Writeful, and there are plentiful tools are there. But one of the popular tool I found, I written 5+ papers using this PaperPal. I took 2 or 3 days for writing one paper, and almost all papers are Scopus papers. Okay, so how we can use this PaperPal or Jenny or Writeful or MyStylus. See, all of you, they were trained on many research papers. The models were fine-tuned on research papers. Now PaperPal knows it is more more better than any professor, because it knows everything, it learned and remembered everything of all domains. So it can help you to create research papers. It can guide you, it can help you. Okay, so for example, you don't know the outline, for example, what are the chapters you want to keep. So this PaperPal or Jenny, Writeful or MyStylus can help you to do that. So I'm going to demonstrate how we can do that by using PaperPal. Okay, and then with Jenny, and then Stylus if possible, right? So all of you see, PaperPal is an AI driven writing assistant. So it will be writing papers with academic quality, writing quality, real-time language suggestions, paraphrasing, grammar and similarity checks, citation generation, integration with writing platforms. You can check everything with this PaperPal. So PaperPal is not that much costly. In these tools, actually, PaperPal is somewhat costly. Jenny is okay. MyStylus is also very affordable. But PaperPal is actually giving 50 to 60%, I think, discounts. For a 1 year, you might be spending very less, only in below 6,000 maybe. Okay, but the use of this platform is very helpful. So I'll be showing you. First step is creating a research paper outline. So when you want to use this PaperPal, first step is create a research paper outline. If you have some idea, so you have to use this PaperPal. So this is actually interface. I'll be showing you everything. So we'll use this for different you are going to use templates for doing this. Just give me some time. All of you, please go to Google and search for PaperPal, and then PaperPal AI academic writing tool, online English language check. Okay, not just online English language check, but you can do many things. So please log into this PaperPal. Open this. Sorry, it's taking some time for me. I don't know about others. How many of you are able to follow this? Doing this right? Right. Okay. So you can see this page. PaperPal start writing. It's free. Sign up with Google. So I'll start signing up with Google. Click on sign up with Google, and then choose your mail ID. Please do it, all of you. Please do it. And then click on continue, all of you. Click on continue. Yeah, it's taking some time for me, but still okay. So how many of you able to log in? Anyone? Logged in, done? Okay, nice. Okay. Yeah. Just wait for me, all of you. Right. So let's get started. Okay, you can describe your current status. For example, I'm a professor or lecturer, suppose. And then what is your field of study? Engineering. Click continue. And what do you plan to do with PaperPal, research and site, or start writing? You can keep anything. Okay, right. So this is actually all of you can see. This is the PaperPal interface, all of you. So in this interface, you can see different things. Okay, so you can see here a document. By default, a document is open. Okay, what we want, so it has integration with apps such as Word document add-in, Overleaf extension, Google Docs also. There is extension you can add. So now the first step, when you want to start writing a paper thesis, you have to go to templates. So this is the templates option. First step is you need outline. You have your concept, but you don't know how to create an outline of your paper. Okay, to create an outline of paper, you can use outlines. Suppose you want to brainstorm. So the best companion is PaperPal. If you want to generate a title, you have the content, but you don't know what title you want to keep for your paper, research paper. You can use this title, concept, abstract. Suppose you have written everything. Sometimes researchers struggle in writing abstracts. So you can use this abstract to create your own abstract. Keywords, you can extract keywords also from your paper. Language summary, study highlights. You can produce highlights also. You require study highlights when you are submitting a paper. So some journals ask what are the highlights of the summary of your paper. So suppose you want to know how to email the journal. So they will provide you can generate emails to a particular journal by using this email the journal. Okay, Rafi. So we'll start with the outline. Click on these outlines. Now, what are you writing? So I want to write research article. Okay, or if you want to write systematic review, you can choose thesis chapter. Somebody wants to write thesis chapter, you can choose thesis chapter, right? So we want to write research article. Click on this research article. Now, this is engineering. What is your subject area? So you have to provide your subject area. My subject area is Internet of Things, and I have some topic information I have. So I'll take my information from this topic. I created some topic. So I'll be using this topic. So this is my topic. Like I want to detect apple fruit ripeness and spoilage using IoT and AI. For this, actually, I created some text topic. So I'll be copying this and I'll provide here. So you can provide like this climate change effects on coastal cities for urban planners to find solution by 2030. So likewise, you can write something. So I'll be pasting here. Yeah, it's taking some time. Just 1 second, all of you. My page is not responding. Just 1 second. Just 1 second. I am refreshing my page. Just give me 1 minute. Okay. So Internet of Things, and then here I'll be pasting my text here, all of you. This is my topic. I pasted. So I want to generate outline. Suppose you have a rough document. You can attach that rough document here. Or a guide, you can attach that. Any file like PDF or docx or Excel sheet, just upload your data by using this. Attach supporting files if you have a data set, or if you have a algorithm information or methodology information, anything you can attach here. That is optional, but you can attach. Okay. And now I'm generating outline. Click here to generate outline. Now you can see the outline is being generated. Introduction, first background on apple fruit quality assessment, literature review, proposed AI-based solution architecture, data collection, deep learning model development, real-time prediction and shelf life estimation, discussions, conclusions. See, all of you can see this. If you like this, you can read this. See, this is your paper structure, outline, introduction, and then in the introduction we have to write background, importance of fruit ripeness, overview of AIoT, research objectives and significance. See, this outline gives you perfect, structure of any research paper, research article. So just, based on our given data, it is generating all this literature review, everything, right? So in the literature review, current methods, voltage, volatile organic compounds, and say deep learning algorithms, AIoT, that is literature review you have to add. Proposed methodology. This is a proposed AIoT based system architecture. You have to write about this. There are total 4 points. Data collection and processing, pre-processing, there are total 4 points. Deep learning model development, there are total 4 points. Real-time prediction and shelf-life estimation, there are total 4 points. System evaluation and performance analysis, there are total 4 points. Discussion. Finally, conclusion. Conclusion, summary of key findings, practical implications and potential impact, concluded remark and future outlook. See, all of you, it seems good for me. So I want, because I'm writing a conference paper for IEEE, this is sufficient for that. So now I will insert here. So it will be inserted here, all of you. So I'll insert this. I can close this, right? So it will be inserted here. Click insert. So you got here, all of you. Now you can download this, actually export also. It will be automatically downloaded, but I want to write paper, right? So to write the paper, we have to, this is just skeleton outline. In this outline, I want to include some literature review. First, I will start with literature review, current methods. Okay. So what are the current methods? So you can choose this current methods for fruit ripeness, right? Analysis. I want to write about this. For this, there is an option called as research or cite. You can do research review. Okay. References you can find, everything you can do. So each point in the literature review, I can go to this research or cite. Okay, there I can find. So you can see here. Now we can provide this. You can copy this and provide here. So not this one. I have to copy this. 1 second. So I'll copy this and paste here. So current methods, okay, for fruit ripeness detection. Okay, so it will be creating, see all of you, you can see. Yeah, actually you have to write more professionally this search, but I'm trying to show you how you can fill this literature review here. So you can see the response. Current methods in fruit ripeness detection. It will be doing research for you. Okay, and it will be mentioning what are the papers mentioning with the numbers, everything, and paper references already. So top papers, from the top papers, four papers it is showing. Total there are 46 papers are there. Okay, if you want to use all top 4 papers you can use, or if you want to use all related papers you can use for literature. So for this point, one single point, I got this particular data, current methods for fruit ripeness detection. So what are the methods they are using? So I'm getting all the literature, latest 2022, but this one is 1995. That is not that much useful for me. You can rewrite or you can do something here. You can change. If you want more papers, you can include related papers also. I'll copy this. Now below this, I'll write this. I'll keep this. Right. So, for literature review, I started, writing literature review. So I can complete this literature review by using AI in few minutes. I'll be getting all the references also. So you can search all the references here. If you click here, you'll be getting reference from where it is copied, and you can add the references. Okay. So likewise, you can do the entire research for literature review. You can write. And also, if you want to generate content, you can generate the content. For example, if you want to generate a content, so for this, you want to generate a content, not literature review, but you want to generate a content. Okay. So literature review, you have to include references and all, but here no need, right? So here you have to write. Okay. There is an option to write. So you can go to this write option and you can mention, tell PaperPal what to write. You can paste this and you can click here, and then automatically it will be writing for you. So it will be writing key, this is what it is writing. Okay. So key components of the system include the proposal system integrates Raspberry Pi, VOS sensor, image sensor to create a comprehensive fruit quality assessment platform. This architecture combines hardware and software components to enable real-time analysis of fruit ripeness. So key components, Raspberry Pi, VOC sensors. So what are the sensors? Because it doesn't know what are the sensors you are using. What is the image sensor specifications? You have to mention specifications and all. It is giving you some rough documentation here, right? So you can copy this and you can go to this. Later you have to edit all of it. This is just first draft you are creating with AI. Okay, but this is not the final. Okay, so these are the components. You have to draw the architecture image and all, and you have to add. So in this way, actually, you can fill entire paper. All of you can create entire paper. I can, create a rough draft in 1 day. Okay, you can also create rough draft in 1 day. Okay, how many of you tried this up to now? Up to now, outline generation, researcher site. We have seen outline generation, research site, and then after that we have seen the next step, all of you. That is actually rewrite, writing, creating our own. Yes, okay, nice. So thank you. So others, how many of you tried up to now? Up to now, anyone tried? I see Priyadarshini tried, and then Mohan Jain tried, Hemant, Tarun, Manasa, Arvind Kumar, excellent, nice. Chandu Sahu tried. Okay, others also please try. This is very useful tool. Okay, because generally students struggle to write papers. Okay, professors write papers. It is easy for them. So you can guide students to use this to create at least IEEE conference paper easily in no time, right? And then there are different options. Okay, what are the different options? Okay, so suppose I want to create a title. So to create a title, you can create a title now. Suppose this is I did not write actually. Once we write everything, then it is good to create a title actually. But I'll be showing you how to create it. So I have to write everything. After writing everything, we are ready. So we have written results, discussion, everything we have filled. After filling, you can generate. Okay, you can go to templates, and then you can go to title. Then you can ask generate title. So it will scan your text. Based on text, it will be creating innovative title up to mark. So AIoT based real time Apple quality assessment, integrating deep learning with VOC and image sensing. So this is the title. Suppose if I like this title, I'll follow this title. Okay, right, all of you. So you can use this title if you want. Okay, so this is a title. You can keep bold, it is title. You can increase the size if you want. So this is a title. After this, I want to generate few more things. Go to template again. And then suppose, because I did not write much, we don't get much good abstract or, because once you write everything, if you fill everything, then you'll get somewhat good. Rough is enough. Okay. So go to abstract. Now generate abstract. So it will be scanning your text and it will generate this paper presents an innovative AIoT based system. This abstract it is generating, but there are no numbers. So it is not showing the numbers at all. Okay. So you can see and you can edit and you can keep that abstract here. But it is advisable always to use, once everything is done, you have to use this. Okay. So this is my abstract. So abstract is ready. This is my abstract, right? So my abstract is ready. So introduction you can write. And keywords. After abstract, you have to use keywords. You can generate keywords here. Yeah, mine is done. Okay, so it's a free limit is reached. Okay, I reached free limit. But actually the price is less, 466 rupees per month. And you can, no need to spend much. Within a month, you can do a lot of things. Okay, so I tried paid version for 6 months. Okay, I enjoyed this for creating 4 papers. Okay, so you can see all these things, all of you, like templates, checks also there. There are different checks, plagiarism check, similarity. There is no need to go for any other platform. 10 pages you can check free, 8 pages or 7 pages freely you can check. For 10 pages, actually it comes with the premium plan. Journal submission check. So you can see for each journal there are some requirements. Okay, for those requirements you have to, if you submit your paper, automatically it will tell you whether that is up to mark. Is that high quality for the particular journal? Is that meeting or not? Okay, that you can see. And also there is a AI review. So AI review. So what is the readability, flow, logic gaps? Is there any issue or what are the recommendations? Everything it will give it to you once you complete. And also there are like rewrite. So you can check the grammar checks. You can trim, you can summarize. There are many other things you can do by using this particular PaperPal of you. So because I already got, this free completed for me. Maybe some of you are trying. Okay, so please try that. So I'll try to tell you a few more important things in this. Just give me 1 second. right? Okay, so all of you, you can try different things like, so we seen all these things, breaking down the outline into sections like introduction, methods, results, discussion, conclusion, and then you have to start developing one by one. You have to do one by one. Okay, and drafting the research paper is critical. So for that, actually rephrasing, shortening sentences, refining language, structure, everything you can do by using PaperPal's edit and rewrite options. There are rewrite options, and you can ensure that it is actually original writing. Okay, but always it is good to have a human touch. Keep the human touch, all of you. Human touch will help you to do better. Okay, that is my recommendation. And there are other options like rewrite. In the rewrite, you can see paraphrase, make academic level. Like journals generally, it should tone should be academic. So you can make it as academic. You can improve the fluency. You can simplify. You can trim. You can change the tone. Okay, so and you can use some synonyms. If there is a similarity score is more, you can reduce the similarity score by adding synonyms in the paper. So it will automatically detect the synonyms and give you synonyms. You can replace those words with synonyms so that your similarity score will reduce. Okay, all of you. So this is how you can use this particular PaperPal to create a best paper scoopers. There are millions of users using this particular one. Even you can translate text. Suppose some papers are written in Chinese people, some experiments were written in Chinese or some language, German. Okay, now you want to use that paper, but you don't know what is the content. So you can use this translate option to read what it is. Okay, so suppose I'm converting this English language into Chinese. Okay, so I'm writing my paper in Chinese. You can do it. Okay, it is easy to convert English to Chinese also. There are different languages, more than 30 languages it is supporting for translation. Okay, and also you can check different checks, all of you already discussed with you, and there are some human expert aiding assistants also there, but it is costly. It is not recommended to go to them, right, all of you. So you can go to this, just upload the file. It is free, all of you. You can get the 7,000 words can be checked for your similarity score. And also get closer to journal acceptance in minutes by uploading your manuscript. Automatically it will give you recommendations whether it is acceptable by the journal or not. You will get recommendations also. Okay, and also you will get the AI review. You can select and see AI review. Okay, so is that my writing is good or not? It will automatically give you, check the flow and structure. It checks everything and gives you recommendations. The flow is good or not. Okay, structure is good or not. Everything you will be getting from this, right? And this is actually PaperPal, and there is a chart with my any PDF. If you have any paper, you can chart with the paper. You can understand from the paper. Suppose if you want to write your own review, okay, literature review, you can chart with the PDF, that is journal, and you can get the data, okay, from that, and you can use that as a literature in your paper also, right? So these are the options, all of you. So I hope all of you following this, right? How many of you are able to follow this? Right. How many of you are able to do this? Please raise your hand. How many of you are able to complete this up to this? Okay, nice, nice. All of you. See, these are the options. I have shown all the options present in this particular, PaperPal. Okay, so this is very useful for up to Scopus. Okay, for SCI journals, you need to keep more effort, but don't miss the human touch. After completing everything, you have to start reading and editing. You have to do on your own, and you have to change words so that you can overcome the AI detection. Okay, so because AI can be detected easily, so what you can do is, see, some of us may not be good at writing good English. Okay, creating sentences or all these things may be difficult. So for such people, this tool is very good. Okay, all of you, right?